time. I'm sorry. And most importantly, thank you for not unsubscribing. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Mika, and I haven't posted anything on YouTube for quite a while. Back in February, my friends and I decided to dress as Sailor Scouts for the carnival, and the costumes arrived here on time, but the accessories didn't. So, of course, we had to make them ourselves, and to be honest, the DIYs turn out much better than the ones we ordered. I mean, take this tiara for example. I got this for about $8 on eBay, and it's made out of foam. If I was wearing a wig, I think it would look much better. But since I'm not, this is too big for me. The first thing we're making is Bunny's Meatball hair accessories. And out of all the things I could find with the same structure are a couple of swimsuit boob cushions. If you have any padded bras you're not using, take them out, measure how big it needs to be, and since you have two, make a mirror image for the second one. Then paint them according to the Sailor Moon color palette. Red for the center and leave the outside white. Glue actual hair clips on the back to actually be able to attach them on your hair. And that's it. Now for the tiara. I'm only using Gumby paper for this in gold, which is thicker than regular paper, but still not very durable. So I'm folding it to double its strength on each side. To make its tiara shape, you need to cut it in half and reconnect the two in a V shape. Then add a little gem in whatever color goes with your Sailor Scout. For the rest of the signature moon accessories, I'm using polymer clay, as well as the signature dangling earrings. The idea is simple and pretty self-explanatory. For those of you who haven't worked with polymer clay before, I'm including some videos in the description. For the earrings, I'm painting the crescent moons in gold and then adding 3 pearls on eye pins and then all together on an ear hoop. If you want something special with polymer clay, it is easy. Just find a pattern that you like and put extra pressure on it. And as soon as you like the design, hit it in the oven. Finally, for the transformation moon brooch, I found a lead of something that fitted the shape and the size, and again made all the extra details with polymer clay and added some extra gems. DIY we created today was super simple and It costed next to nothing. Take this, eBay. That's for taking so long to mail stuff. So if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram or any other social media. All the links are in the description down below. You can tag me at TheCatMelon with your DIY pictures, or use the hashtag SailorDIY. Now leave me a comment down below and tell me which Sailor Scout is your favorite. But thank you all so much for watching. You being still here means the world to me. Thank you so much. And I'll see you soon. Bye, Earthlings!